Hi, this is Dr. Tom Rogers. I've been a family doc for 36 years. The last 20 years of my practice, I've focused on integrative medicine. Some people call it functional medicine. And what that is, it really means that we try to get to the root cause of the problem rather than just throw another prescription at you. And in my experience, a lot of this starts right at the gut level. In other words, how's your digestion? Usually with autoimmune diseases or chronic fatigue or pain, I usually can ask the patient about how their gut is functioning, and almost every time it's not good. So I've started learning that if I can't heal the gut, then everything else is going to be kind of fruitless. And I've used many different products over the years. I find that a lot of people don't tolerate certain types of foods. Stress plays a part a lot of the times. That microbiome, which means the good versus the bad bacteria in your gut, are off. And of course, we know that gluten is inflammatory. We know that dairy is inflammatory. We know that lectins are inflammatory. And everybody's a little different. I've used a lot of different probiotics. I've used a lot of different gut pills. And I want to tell you about one that's really is a game changer for me and my patients. This is one I use personally. Everybody in my family takes this. And I have suffered from a little bit of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, myself through the years. But I came across a product called DigestShield. And this is, to me, is the ultimate game changer if you have gut problems. A lot of times I will do stool studies. I'll do a lot of testing, but a lot of times what I've found out is that I will try them on a trial of this and see how they do. Sometimes it avoids a mega workup and looking at the various aspects of their gut, food allergies, etc. But the thing I like about DigestShield is it's one pill that covers virtually everything that they need. It has 5 different types of prebiotics. Think of that as food for the probiotics, which they need. It has 11 different types of probiotics. You need the right kind of blend. It's not how much is in there, it's the kind of probiotics that they are. And this has the main ones that you need. The other thing it has in it is digestive enzymes. I find that people have a hard time breaking down, especially fats, but also proteins and carbs. So it really helps break down your food into the nutrients that you need. So it does have digestive enzymes with it. It also has a gluten blocker in it. Probably half of Americans can't tolerate glutens to some extent. You don't have to have celiac disease to have a gluten sensitivity. I know I have it. I also, for many, many years, I guess my whole life, it became worse as I got older, is I have a lactose deficiency. This thing has lactase in it to help you break down dairy that you may get. Because remember, glutens and dairy, they slip it in a lot of foods and you'll never know it. But this certainly blocks them down. It also has a lectin blocker in it, has chitosan in it, which helps you digest lectins, which are very hard to digest for a lot of people. So this has just been a great product for me and my patients. It's been a game changer. I would estimate that 99% of people that I put on this come back to me and they want to get more of it because it really changes their life. So think about DigestShield. Really great product. I fully endorse it. This is Dr. Tom Rogers. Thank you.